This adjustable vegetable cutter is designed to make slicing faster, cleaner, and a whole lot easier. With multiple thickness settings, you can switch from thin slices to thick cuts in seconds. Its sharp stainless steel blades glide through veggies effortlessly, giving you perfect, even slices every time. Whether you're prepping stir fries, salads, or garnishes, this tool helps you finish your cutting work in a fraction of the time. The non-slip grip keeps it steady while you work, and the compact size makes it easy to store. No more struggling with uneven cuts or spending extra time prepping. This adjustable veg cutter is a small tool that... This retractable sink rack is a multifunctional kitchen essential that instantly upgrades your cleaning space. It expands to fit almost any sink, giving you a sturdy drying area for plates, fruits, vegetables, and utensils. Made from durable, rust-resistant material, it holds strong even with heavy items. The open-air design speeds up drying. This foldable chopping board brings convenience right to your countertop. Start by using it as a regular, sturdy cutting board with a textured, slip-resistant surface. Then simply fold it with one hand, turning your chopped fruits or vegetables into a clean, controlled pour right into your pot or bowl. No more spilling ingredients. This automatic stirrer does the mixing for you, so you can focus on the rest of your cooking. Just place it in your pot, switch it on, and watch it stir soups, sauces, gravies, and creams completely hands-free. The rotating legs move smoothly across the surface, preventing burning or sticking. It's heat-resistant, easy to clean, and perfect for multitasking in the kitchen. No more standing over the stove for long periods. Whether you're simmering or slow cooking, this gadget keeps everything moving evenly while you handle other tasks. It's a small tool that saves big time.